What's up guys? So today I'm going to show you my custom switch setup on my 2016 Silverado. Unfortunately I missed out on filming the original install, but I'm going to try my best to go through and explain everything step by step as best as I can.
No holes needed, didn't have to drill nothing. So I'll explain how I did this. So in these trucks, this center piece pops out. So it's pretty easy in our trucks. I'm not gonna show you how to do it. There's videos all over YouTube showing people how to do that stuff. But yeah, you pop the center piece out. It all comes out as one. You'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plugs on the end of here. When it pops out, there's going to be 5 wires. You're going to have to unplug each wire from from their connector behind these plugs or whatever, right? These 2 are kind of a pain. These 3 pretty easy. Everything just, it's like a connector. It pops out. Some of them have these kind of safety lock features. It's kind of annoying, but you'll get it. It's not too crazy hard. Once that's popped out, you'll be able to take this entire piece out, which you can take it into your garage or whatever, and then you can start disassembling these things. Okay, so this is what your cigarette lighter assembly is going to look like. So that's what it's going to look like. To take it apart, there's 2 little tabs on the inside. All you got to do is push those little tabs in, and then this shiny cylinder is going to slide right out. You're going to cut the back end off that cylinder so you can put your finger right through it so the connector's cut off. And then you can reassemble it, and all you're going to do is put the toggle switch. It slides right in there, and then you just wire and plug the switch in from the back. So super simple, super easy. This works on all vehicles with this style of cigarette lighter connector. So this is a Silverado, a 2016, but any GM vehicle that has this cigarette lighter style, you can do this too. So I was using in the truck there. I'll link in the description below where to get these. They're not too expensive. They come in all different colors and sizes and all that kind of stuff. So I'll link the right size or whatever, but once you get the switch and you want to install it, make sure you put a couple pieces of tape around the outside just to give a little more snugness when you put it when you press it into the cigarette lighter. It'll fit in there perfectly snug, and then all you got to do is do your wiring and plug this right into the back of it, and she's good to go. And that's literally all you got to do. So I'll link these down below, and yeah.